Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so, which brings down your toggles and the notifications. Now you want to swipe down once again, which will extend the list of visible toggles. And next we're going to locate the screen recording toggle. So for me it is on the first page right over here. Once it's here, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up this overlay right here. It won't be visible in the recording, so you don't need to worry. And in here we have a couple options like the start recording, and this will also then double as a stop recording. Then we have the sound, so you can choose what kind of sound will be recorded. By default it is selected to record system sound. And next we have the close option. Anyway, so now I'm gonna just start recording, and you can see it has a counter. So I can open up some kind of applications right now, which like the actual feature would suggest would be recorded, though I do want to point out there is a little bit of a limitation. So not every application will allow you to be recorded, and that's a I'm gonna stop right now, and that's a per app or per developer of the app decision, which is absolute bullshit that a developer can decide what you can do with your own phone and when you can utilize the record feature. Now I want to also add that this is done to give the user of the device privacy and security. So in an optimal scenario, this is used, for instance, in bank applications. This is the best case I can demonstrate this. And if you ever have some kind of virus that you somehow got on your phone, that is, for instance, trying to spy on you so it can see what kind of pins you're using in your bank apps, this feature obviously would prevent that from happening, as this virus wouldn't be able to see anything on the screen, so it can't pin it really. But it's primarily used by applications that have absolutely zero business using it, like for instance Netflix. Let's be honest, Netflix ain't protecting your privacy or security, it's protecting its bottom line. And I don't give a shit about that because it's my phone, not theirs. So if you ever encounter this, I do want to just kind of clarify this. There is no option, as far as I'm aware, that it can change. So you could record applications that decide that you know, they don't want you to, which is annoying. But anyway, the applications that you did record, you can find those recordings in your Photos application by going into Collections and then Screenshots, and here you can see a screen recording. While this is playing back, I also want to point out that if you ever start recording and you begin recording an application that cannot be recorded, that just gives you a black screen, that's kind of what you end up with. You don't actually know that you're not recording anything because to you that application looks normal. It's just when you're going to be playing back, like it is playing back right now, when you open said applications, you'll have just straight up black screen. So if you're planning to have a longer session where you record something, just make sure that what you're trying to record actually allows you to before you start wasting your time. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.